I introduced my next guest, Bryan Pike. He is going to be talking to us a little bit about wireless innovation. He's the VP of OEM and National and International Sales at AIC Wireless. How are you, Bryan?
Good, thank you.
Welcome.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Doing well.
Well, Bryan, tell us a little bit about, as we await our Realcomm trivia question from our audience, which I will harvest during the next break. And whoever has the best one, it's right here for you. What is going on to you, from your viewpoint, in wireless innovation?
Well, we're seeing some interesting trends. The previous fear that the industry's had over wireless communications in regards to reliability or security has seemed to be overcome over the past several years. The acceptance levels increased, and then as acceptance level increases, products increase, and solutions are given back to the industry.
What are you seeing interesting at the show?
A lot. Of course, being so close to the IBcon as well, we're seeing a lot of interesting ideas that help grow the industry. Within our products themselves, the thing that we're really featuring is the same product we did last year with the Bullet Light module for Chicago, and we're seeing a lot of interest in that just because it's a plug-and-play device that has the most capacity for reducing energy.
I mean, Bryan absolutely blew our minds, and you can actually watch this at our YouTube channel if you go to the Realcomm YouTube channel. Last year, doing a live demo of turning on and off lights in city streets that we could watch live. You had cameras set up, controlling it right here from your laptop.
Sure.
Is there any other really interesting stuff that you guys are starting to think about for the next generation?
Well, yeah. Right now, most of our products are based on the Sedona framework, which is native to Niagara, which is obviously a big trend here at IBcon. So, in thinking towards the future, it's thinking about ways to reduce costs while giving the same amount of energy savings, providing the end user with the ability to know the exact amount of energy used per light gives them the ability to shed load by staging lights on and off. Well, at the same manner, you want to give them a lower cost solution to installation. So we've got products that we're working on now that ease communication barriers. You hear a lot of talk, especially here, regarding the advantages of a Zigbee solution versus an open IPv6 solution. And every solution has its place. So new products are coming, more innovation is obviously on its way.
Any last things that you're seeing here as far as trends for 2013?
No, I mean, everything we're seeing it revolves around energy conservation, giving the end user the ability to save energy. Without information, analytics, without knowing the amount of energy being used, there's no way for the end user to provide a measure to save.
Where do you see people going wrong? Where do you see them missing the mark, not getting the analytics right? Where are people making mistakes in this area?
I think it's failure to educate. When you walk in to a customer and you're trying to explain energy saving measures, well, with any automation package providing the data, there's a cost associated with it. So you have to be concerned with ROI. And when you explain to them that by having the information, yeah, there's an upfront cost, but now you have the data needed to then provide control measures to reduce the load. We were at a conference a few months ago in Chattanooga for Haystack, and one of the events I spoke was regarding controlling the last major energy load. And one thing that people forget about is lighting, whether it's interior or exterior lighting, and that is a huge energy hog that goes uncontrolled in most environments. So it's educating the customer and explaining to them why they need it.
If anyone out there wants to stay in touch with you, learn where you guys are at in the state of the art, how can they interface with AIC?
Our website, aic-wireless.com or aurora-ax.com, are both our websites, and we're at booth 65, 69 here, just around the corner from Conference Live.
Thank you so much, Bryan. I appreciate you coming by.
Thank you.
Fantastic.